Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use bubble gun cocktail, only way. Start by chilling ingredients and preparing a clean bubble gun before assembly. Assemble the bubble gun, attach yeast or bubble mix per recipe, and measure spirits carefully. Use a chilled glass and pour slowly to capture foam, then garnish lightly. Practice one test pour to adjust pressure and bubble size, and always drink responsibly while enjoying the effect. Begin with measuring all components precisely and use chilled mixers to control foam and flavor. Combine base spirit, syrup, and carbonation in a shaker or mixing vessel, then add the bubble agent carefully. Test one small pour to set pressure and bubble density, then adjust ratios as needed for taste balance. Keep tools clean and dry between batches to maintain consistent results and avoid unwanted microbial growth. Serve promptly to enjoy peak texture. Always use food-safe bubble mixes and avoid non-edible agents that could harm guests or alter flavors. Monitor alcohol limits and label drinks clearly, noting any allergens or intense flavors before serving to guests. Use decorative garnishes and glassware to enhance visual impact, while serving on trays to reduce spills. Keep a waste bin nearby and wipe surfaces between pours to keep service tidy and safe for hospitality settings and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.